Welcome guys, this is the phase 3 of our beautiful training. My name is Belchior Pinto again. This is the place that you're gonna learn more and more about the right tool to use for your campaigns and many things, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. So let's start. So right now I can add more accounts. You can add your accounts going to your menu, or maybe add your account when you hit new post, and then select add social network. I'm gonna add another new Instagram account because the other one is not working that well. So I'm going to use I'm gonna use my personal account. Alright, let's authorize. Now you need to authenticate with your Facebook if you want to enable the direct Instagram publishing. That's very important. Again, authenticate with Facebook. Exactly, you need to connect with your Facebook page, so meaning that you will need to connect with your Facebook account. Let me say, no, it's gonna be wrong. Continue. Now, as you can see, if you follow all the steps, you're gonna see this direct publishing setup complete. It means that now you can schedule posts to Instagram without having to receive notification to post yourself by yourself. So it's done. Let's say done, and then voila, we have now 3 accounts. Even if you come here and if you say I'm gonna post, you can post to this account. Now remember, the free plan, you just have 3 accounts to manage. If you upgrade to different plans, you can have 10, and then there's another plan for 20, there's another plan for 35 accounts, and it's up to you. Now inbox, let's go to inbox. Now the inbox part is more for other social media. You're gonna see here the messages and many things else. One of the part that I truly want to show is about the publisher. The publisher is very important. Every time you schedule a post, you're gonna see here different posts that you have scheduled from Instagram, posts from let me say Pinterest, and anything that you are trying to manage or using your Hootsuite account. Okay, that's important. You're gonna see here many posts, many posts. And then analytics is very important because you're going to see which post is performed the best than others. Let me show you an example instead of just saying. Let me use my other accounts. Okay guys, I'm just giving you an example using my account that normally I schedule posts from my different accounts. Now you can add many streams. You click just here, add stream. You can see this plus icon here, and then add stream. If you have many different accounts, for instance for Instagram, for many different social media, you can add profile. For instance, if you have Twitter, let me say I'm going to use Instagram, right? And then select the social media account, select here which one is yours, or which one do you want to add to your streams, and then let me say I'm going to use this one. Alright, I'm going to only use the posts. I'm going to add my posts on my stream, and that's it. It's already added, so you can just take it. As you can see, here it is, the account, and you can write comments, you can reply to comments as well. It's very good. It's very good. Now inbox is not that much important. We can go to planner, right? This is our planner. Now the planner, we're gonna see all your posts during these days, or posts that you're gonna schedule. We're gonna see here, for instance, if you schedule a post at 9, at 12, and then you can change if you want it. You can drag and drop to different places. Let me just drag this one. As you can see, right, I'm moving this. If I schedule for different time and I want to change it, or for a time that I don't like it or I don't want it, I want to change it to another time, I can just drag and drop without having to open the post and change it that way. So you can post here, you can select anytime. As you can see, here is the time, right? Here's the post. Now I can say the day, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm gonna post on Friday at 9 a.m. Click on this, right? This is a table, right? One is sale, in this cell here, and then say new post, and do the same. Write the caption, put the hashtags, and then drag and drop. Or you can open a media that is already on your account, or a media that you can select from your Dropbox. If you have a Dropbox connected to your account, I'm going to show you right now how to connect your Dropbox account to use here. Now your analytics is very, very important. Go into your analytics. As you can see, the analytics is very, very important. Now I'm just using my Instagram here on this account. As you can see, I have 60 posts, and I don't post that much this week. I don't know why. And I have 277k followers, and it's increasing. Like this week I got 131. That's not that much. As you can see, the posts, right? Posts from different accounts. You can see many things, and by seeing your analytics, you have an overview of everything that you are doing. If it's resulting, if it's giving you what you truly want, so you need to change your posts, your captions, or your hashtags, and many things. As you can see, there are some accounts that are decreasing very much. This account I'm not posting, so maybe I should take it away. And this one I'm posting, I'm getting 80. I got 80 followers there. Another one I got almost 400 followers, and so on. You can see many things. The engagement by type, likes, comment, how it's going my post. I can see all this, many things, and post tables as well. You can export this as PDF or PowerPoint document to analyze better and see which one is performed the best, and which one you need to change, and which one you need to make improvements. As someone say, right, you cannot change what you can't measure. So you need to measure to see how is your post, how is your daily post, how is your weekly post, and many things. So, and then you can, assignment is not that much important for now, because the assignment is more for in case that you want to add more people to use your main account. You can add in different plans. You can add like 2, 3 people, 4, 5. It depends. Now, app directory is what important right now. You can go to app directory, and then now you can connect your Hootsuite with different apps, right? It's up here and many other things. Now, if you want to use Dropbox, for instance, I have my Dropbox account. Just search Dropbox, and then you can Dropbox, and then click install. Mine is already installed, so you just click install. It's very easy to install. After that, then it's gonna ask you to connect or to log into your Dropbox account. You log into the Dropbox account, and then each time that you want to schedule a post, you can simply let me just show you. You can simply, after that you connected that, you can, and then come here to your planner, and then let me say I'm gonna post on Thursday at 5 a.m. Just an example. All right, so new post, and then I'm gonna use a post that I have in my Dropbox account. So click here, explore thousands of assets, browse your media, and then instead of free images, I'm gonna select this to Dropbox for Hootsuite. It's very easy. As you can see, I have 2 different folders that there are images. All right, let me images. It's all motivation images. So select one that you want. You say, okay, I'm gonna use this one, and then it's gonna open here, and then you can close the media library to see how is your image here. As you can see, right, it's related to, or it's just one. And then put your caption, put your hashtags, and then schedule your post. After that, just hit schedule and you are done. So guys, basically that's it. Simple overview about using Hootsuite for your advantage. So basically it's not that much complicated. It's something very, very easy. If you want to promote your posts as well, you can come here, promote. If you are using a professional plan, you have something like 500 to spend on Facebook ads or Instagram ads. It depends. And that's it. Thank you very much for listening. Again, I have a bonus for you. Thank you for being around. I have a bonus for you. I have another beautiful and amazing book, and you can grab the link below. And this book is all for you. You can use this book whatever you want in your marketing campaigns. Guys, I love you. Peace, one love. I see you in the next video. Bye.